कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स कभी कभार ओके बट रेगुलर नहीं जाना चाहिए. सो नंबर 1 इज कोल्ड ड्रिंक, नंबर 2 इज मैगी एंड नंबर 3 इज कॉर्नफ्लेक्स. ऑल दीज 3 थिंग्स नॉट गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ. अब जब हम छोटे थे तब कितना जोमेटो स्विगी था, कितना बाहर खाना था, कितना हुक्का था एंड स्लीपिंग ऑन टाइम. सो आई थिंक what has gone wrong in last 20-30 years. Now just popping a pill and not changing lifestyle habit is not a solution to this. So blood pressure, diabetes, fatty liver, cholesterol, 100% lifestyle problem.
There was a time when colon cancer was a rare
right.
form of cancer.
That's right.
But now the graph is increasing.
That's right.
The Gen Zs, they are just a fan of Korean ramen, buldak. अच्छा ये खाना है वो खाना है. And it has 2-3 packets of sauce along with that ramen. Doctors but बोलते थे कि even if you have heart disease, एक पैक चलता है. Can your food actually reverse diseases like heart disease, gut health, fatty liver, or is just an Instagram myth? Honestly, we are all trying to eat healthy, but we are falling sick. Cardiac arrest at the age of 21, fatty liver at 30. So what is the problem? Where is the problem? Are we eating the correct stuff? Today's guest says your kitchen is the key to all your answers. He's a specialist in reversing lifestyle diseases through food, gut health, and mindset. He believes that it's not medicine, but your daily food habits that change your routine. Please welcome Karan Kakkar. Let's decode what we've eaten wrong all these years, only with Karan Kakkar today. Please welcome Karan Kakkar on Tripti Gupta podcast. What is this disease reversal all about? What is this philosophy?
So broadly speaking, there are 2 types of disease. Number 1 is infection driven, and like polio, malaria, dengue, बाहर का infection body में आता है. Another is lifestyle driven, blood pressure, cholesterol, fatty liver, PCOD, gut issues, thyroid. If you look at 50-100 years back, we had more of infection disease and very less lifestyle disease. But last 20-30 साल में lifestyle diseases have become an epidemic. हर घर में किसी ना किसी को joint pain, BP, sugar, cholesterol, fatty liver. But the problem today is that people are approaching lifestyle disease like they were approaching infection disease. आपको कुछ infection है, आप गोली खा लो वो ठीक हो जाता है, no problem. But lifestyle disease, if you just keep popping pill, that is not a solution to your problem. Understand? So the answer to lifestyle disease is what I call 5 pillars of good health. Number 1 is food and nutrition. Number 2 is better lifestyle. Number 3 is physically being active. Number 4 is good quality sleep. एंड नंबर 5 इज थॉट्स एंड इमोशन. सो अगर कोई भी आदमी ये 5 चीज़ का ध्यान रखे, खाना पीना, लाइफस्टाइल, फिजिकली एक्टिव रहना, गुड स्लीप एंड इमोशंस, तो वो 60, 70, 80 साल में फिट, फाइन, हेल्दी रह सकता है. दैट इज व्हाट वी बिलीव, दैट इज व्हाट वी प्रीच.
सो सडनली ये जो लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज हम देख रहे हैं एट द एज ऑफ 25-30, कार्डियक अरेस्ट आ रहे हैं एंड पीपल आर हैविंग कोलेस्ट्रॉल इश्यूज, दे आर हैविंग बीपी इश्यूज एट 25-28. सो व्हाट इज द लॉजिक बिहाइंड इट? पहले ऐसे नहीं होता था. पहले 30-40s आता था तो बीपी की गोली, आई मीन 40s के बाद सब खाते थे.
Correct.
So क्या हो गया?
I think the major change what has happened in last 20-30 years is our habits, our lifestyle, our food. अब जब हम छोटे थे तब कितना जोमेटो स्विगी था, कितना बाहर खाना था, कितना हुक्का था एंड sleeping on time. So I think what has gone wrong in last 20-30 years is our habits, is our food, is our lifestyle, and because of that we have this epidemic of lifestyle issues, BP, sugar, cholesterol, all of that. So in fact last week I got someone in my clinic who was 28 years, very high sugar and little bit blood pressure. अगर आप उसका लास्ट 15 साल का हैबिट देखेंगे तो पैकेट फूड, मैगी खाना, प्रोसेस्ड फूड खाना, लेट सोना. सो इट वॉज अ लाइफ स्टाइल प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज ऑफ विच ही एंडेड अप इन वॉट ही वॉज राइट नाउ. Now just popping a pill and not changing lifestyle habit is not a solution to this.
So basically we can say cholesterol, BP, diabetes or maybe cancer जो आजकल बहुत emerge कर सुनने में आ रहा है, ये सब lifestyle problem है.
So blood pressure, diabetes, fatty liver, cholesterol, 100% lifestyle problem. 85% of cancers today are lifestyle driven. We have so many people who come to us who have colon cancer, gut related issues, and majority of these people whom I see who have colon or colorectal cancer are less than 45 years and primarily lifestyle driven.
There was a time when colon cancer was a rare
right.
form of cancer.
That's right.
But now the graph is increasing.
That's right. That's right.
I mean, I had a friend who had this, and when he was detected, it was the last stage. Generally, वो first stage, second stage में पता नहीं चलता.
Correct.
And he was just 21, I guess. We were preparing for our MBA and we were together. And suddenly I got to know he's having this fourth stage का colon cancer. तो we were like, assuming क्या हो सकता है? 21 में किसको क्या, पहले एक टाइम के बाद एज में होता था, कोलन कैंसर बहुत रेयर था. मोर ऑफ वाज ओरल कैंसर और मे बी ब्रेस्ट कैंसर.
But now colorectal cancer or colon cancer is very, very common. And I think primary reason is because, there is something known as gut. Gut is the area in your stomach which comprises of large intestine, small intestine. हमारे gut में करोड़ों बैक्टीरिया रहते हैं. And the food of those gut bacteria is fiber. But last 20-30 years, we are eating less of natural food, less of plant food, less of fiber. We are eating more processed, more packet food, and that is the reason why our immunity, our gut is becoming weak, and as a result of which our immunity is going down, and as a result of which cancers are increasing.
What is that one Indian food which we see in our kitchen and it's actually damaging our health, and we use it almost every day?
I think if we have to name one food which is in our kitchen and which is unknowingly damaging our health is ketchup. Ketchup is so common, found in every household, but it has a lot of processed sugar, lot of artificial chemicals. Now the problem is not if you have ketchup once a while, thoda le liya, it's okay. But when you have ketchup too much, with all breakfast and with all meals, that creates a lot of problem.
But nowadays these marketing team, they says हमारा ketchup is 100% organic, 100% preservative free, no added sugar. So what is the ideology behind it?
Majority of that is just marketing gimmick. If you look at labels, you will understand. So ketchup is one. Second is Maggi. Maggi is another food found in many homes today, but has a lot of artificial ingredients, a lot of chemicals. Absolutely not good for our gut health.
Shift from Maggi to these Korean ramen, buldak. So how safe are these? I mean, once I tried it cooking in my kitchen, I did not like the smell. I somehow felt it was not good, but the Gen Zs, they are just a fan of Korean ramen, buldak, acha ye khana hai, wo khana hai, and it has 2-3 packets of sauce along with that ramen.
Correct.
So
देखिए ये सब चीज़ क्या है ना, once a while okay, but you cannot have this regularly. It will damage your gut, it will damage your immune system. So not a good idea to have this regularly.
Okay. All of us are following some kind of plans to be healthy. आज ये diet plan लिया, आज वो dietitian के पास गया. तो do you really think we are eating healthy or we are just scammed by these dietitian or nutritionists, you can say, aajkal?
I think that's a very good point because, I think one of the most important thing for each and every one of us is that जब हम 60, 70, 80 साल के होए, we should be fit, fine and healthy. And अगर हमको 60, 70, 80 साल में fit रहना है, हमको किसी को डाइट करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. The only thing that is going to help us to be fit, fine, healthy in our 60s and 70s is our habits, is our lifestyle and what we do on a day-to-day basis. So हमको किसी को डाइट करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. जो अच्छा चीज़ है वो ज़्यादा खाना है and जो गड़बड़ चीज़ है वो हमको कम खाना है. And when I say gadbad cheese, more processed, more packet food, in fact, there is nothing known as junk food. There is either junk or it is food. You understand? So more natural, more seasonal, more plant food is what you should have.
Suppose someone wants to go for this disease reversal program. So अगर उनके पास 1 week है, वो 1 week में ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं जो उनके बॉडी को ड्रामेटिकली चेंज कर सकता है?
See, as I told you, it's all about lifestyle habits. But अगर किसी को कुछ चीज़ें करनी है जिससे उनको 1-2 हफ्ते में ही उनको बेटर फील होने लगे, उनका गैस एसिडिटी कम होने लगे, उनका बाउल मूवमेंट बेटर होने लगे, उनका गट स्टार्ट्स इम्प्रूविंग. सो 2-3 सिंपल चीज़ें. नंबर 1, स्टॉप हैविंग मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स, स्टॉप हैविंग पैकेट फूड, प्रोसेस्ड फूड, जंक फूड्स. स्टार्ट ईटिंग मोर नेचुरल. दिन में 2-3 फ्रूट खाना, लंच डिनर के पहले थोड़ा सैलेड खाना, कुछ भी, खीरा, गाजर, वॉट एवर इट इज़, बट मोर नेचुरल, मोर सीजनल, मोर रियल फूड. अवॉइडिंग मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स, अवॉइडिंग पैकेट फूड, डीप फ्राइड. एंड अगर कोई भी जन ये 2-3 हफ्ते भी ये करेगा, दे विल स्टार्ट फीलिंग लाइटर. दे विल स्टार्ट फीलिंग मेरा पेट साफ बेटर हो रहा है, गैस एसिडिटी उतना नहीं हो रहा है, हल्का लग रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है. एंड ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ अस कैन डू दिस. यू अंडरस्टैंड? इट्स just little discipline and little consistency is what is required.
So when you talk about these changes, food habits, now food, as we say habits, it's a habit.
Correct.
अब टाइम लगता है, तो साथ साथ फूड हैबिट्स के वो माइंड को भी ट्रेन करना जरूरी
Very
हो
true.
जाता.
Very
So
true.
how can you train that जिद्दी mind?
You know, I think it's a very good point because emotional eating is a big science. And, you know, people who want to control, but if they're emotionally not stable, they end up eating sugar, they end up having dessert, they end up having when they are emotionally stressed. So, emotional eating is a big science. And, you know, if everybody takes care of their food, their habits, and their emotions, they can become much better. So, you know, 10 minutes before going to bed, 10 minutes after getting up in the morning, if they sit with themselves, they'll do little gratitude meditation or some breath work, it will help them emotionally also. And once you're emotionally better, you can follow good habits, good lifestyle, and become better.
So, I mean, your session, I think this podcast is so eye-opening to me. I mean, it's going to definitely have a lot of viewers out there. So, one thing I would like to ask, being a girl, I have faced this issue of PCOS, PCOD. So, what do you have to say? Is there anything we can do about this when we are talking about disease reversal?
You know, PCOD, PCOS, thyroid, these are hormonal issues. They are not lifelong issues, they are lifestyle issues. So once we improve our lifestyle, we should be able to reverse it. So there are 3 simple foods which are very good for PCOD, PCOS. Number 1 is coriander seeds, गोटा धनिया. 2 चम्मच रात को 1 गिलास पानी में डालना है, रात भर पानी में होगा. सुबह जब आप उठें सबसे पहले बस छान के वो पानी पीना है. Brilliant for PCOD, PCOS. Number 2 is chia seeds. Lot of fiber, very good for gut, very good for burning fat. So again, 2 teaspoon chia seed, आपको 1 glass पानी में minimum 4-5 hours रखना है. And any time in the day, you just drink that glass of water and gulp chia seed down. And number 3 is drumsticks. One of the super food when it comes to immunity, when it comes to hormonal balance, when it comes to gut health. Drumstick is indeed a super food when it comes to our health.
मतलब as you preach, सब कुछ किचन में है.
Absolutely. And it is very easy for you to have these 3 things, but just to make it in your routine is very, very important.
Habit मिलाना. You have to train your mind actually.
Correct. And awareness. People are not
Yes.
aware that drumstick is so nice. For example, India में so many people, so many kids have cornflakes, thinking that it is good, not realizing that it has a lot of sugar. You understand? So there is something known as high fructose corn syrup, जिसके बिना cornflakes बनता नहीं है. So one bowl of cornflakes will have 3 to 4 spoon of that sugar, which is damaging their liver, which is damaging their gut health, which is increasing their risk of diabetes. Not a good idea.
What is the biggest mistake people nowadays are doing when they're actually trying to eat healthy?
Oh, so I think the biggest mistake that people are doing right now in order to eat healthy is that they are counting calories and they are
Yes.
eating less. Because, you know, 100 calories of Coca-Cola is not same as 100 calories of broccoli. Same calories, but very different information to your body. So one thing that I keep telling people is कि हमको कम नहीं खाना है, हमको सही चीज़ ज़्यादा खाना है, गड़बड़ चीज़ कम खाना है. 50 साल पहले कितने जन कैलोरी काउंट करते थे? सो हमको कैलोरी नहीं गिनना है, हमको न्यूट्रिशन में ध्यान देना है और सही चीज़ ज़्यादा खाना है. बट पीपल बिकॉज दे वांट टू लूज वेट, दे वांट टू डू समथिंग बेटर फॉर देमसेल्व्स, सो दे काउंट कैलोरीज, दे डू क्रैश डाइट्स, दे ईट लेस. सो टेम्पररी तो उनको बेनिफिट मिलता है, बट द मोमेंट दे स्टार्ट ईटिंग रेगुलरली अगेन, द वेट गोज अप, यू नो, हार्मोनल इश्यूज गोज अप, विच इज़ नॉट अ गुड आइडिया.
सो आई मीन अगर किसी को वेट लूज करना है एंड घर से ही करना है, तो इज इट रिक्वायर्ड, जो आजकल बोलते हैं कि प्रोटीन ज़्यादा खाना है, ये ज़्यादा खाना है या ये नहीं खाना है, तरह आई मीन आप क्विक 5 टिप्स बताओ जो वेट लॉस के लिए हो.
So number 1, empty stomach fruit is very very good for losing weight.
Okay.
So कोई भी fruit, papita, banana, guava, whatever you like, empty stomach fruit helps a lot in weight loss. Number 1. Number 2, there is something known as jeera pani.
Yes.
So a lot of people have this habit of having tea coffee, which is acidic for the body, creates inflammation in the gut. So instead of tea coffee, they should have jeera pani. Now what is jeera pani? चाय पत्ती की जगह पे जीरा, अदरक, इलायची डाल के बॉईल करके दिन में 2 बार 3 बार आप जीरा पानी पिएंगे. जीरा पानी is brilliant for weight loss, very good for hormonal balance, very good for gas acidity. So number 1 is fruits, number 2 is jeera pani. Number 3 is cooked food. दिन में 2 बार खाना है, लंच और डिनर. रोटी सब्जी दाल चावल जो भी हम खाते हैं, बट 2 बार से ज़्यादा नहीं खाना है. इट हेल्प्स अ लॉट इन वेट लॉस. नंबर 4 इज ग्रीन सूप दैट वी रिकमेंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल टू हैव बिफोर डिनर. डिनर के जस्ट पहले आप ग्रीन सूप लेंगे एंड फिर आप डिनर करेंगे. So green soup will have कच्चा पपीता, drumstick, लौकी drumstick, something like that. Very very good for losing weight. And number 5 is not to have any food after dinner. Lot of people have this habit, 8 बजे डिनर करेंगे बट रात को 11 बजे कुछ मंच करना, एंड उस टाइम जनरली हम जो मंच करते हैं दैट इज अनहेल्दी. सो यू नो इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग 12 hours, 8 o'clock you finish, morning you start at 8 o'clock. Very easy, very doable, very practical. But not eating after dinner is also one very important thing that is very important for weight loss.
आई मीन अननोइंगली बहुत बार होता है खाना खा के एक मिठाई खा लेते हैं, चलो एक कुकी खा लेते हैं, मीठा खाने का मन हो रहा है, तो मतलब ये सब चीज़ एकदम
कम रखे, या फिर ट्राई एंड हैव डेट्स और जी समथिंग बेटर ऑल्टरनेटिव. बट रात को 10-11 बजे खाना इज नॉट अ गुड आइडिया. नॉट गुड फॉर गट, नॉट गुड फॉर वेट लॉस, नॉट गुड फॉर हार्मोन्स.
ओके. सो अगर कभी कभी चीट मील करना हो तो वो कभी कभी कितना होना चाहिए, वीक में या मंथ में?
महीने में 3-4 बार सब चलता है, हाँ, बट डे टू डे हमको गड़बड़ नहीं करना चाहिए. यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो व्हाट वी डू डे टू डे इज व्हाट मैटर. महीना में 3-4 बार इधर उधर हो गया इज नो प्रॉब्लम. आई थिंक द की हियर इज टू बी अवेयर, टू बी कॉन्शियस, to do things nice on a day-to-day basis, and once a while everything is okay.
But you know, for people who struggle with weight loss, what I've seen this pattern is Monday to Friday they are like एकदम डाइट पे रहना है, सब कुछ काउंट करके, या जैसा आप बोलते हैं कैलोरी काउंट, एकदम वेट मेंटेन. जहाँ वीकेंड आया, 4 पैक लगाया, बाहर खाया, नॉनवेज खाया, you just make up for all that weight loss which you have done. So इसका क्या किया जाएगा?
I think one thing that people have to realize that alcohol does more bad. It doesn't do any good. It is empty calories, not good for gut, not good for liver, not good for brain cell. So alcohol is something that we should minimize as much as we can. If you truly want to lose weight, if you truly want hormonal balance, if you truly want to create health, alcohol is something that we should minimize as much as possible.
Okay, so बहुत बार पहले के कुछ डॉक्टर्स बट बोलते थे कि इवन इफ यू हैव हार्ट डिजीज, एक पैक चलता है.
साइंस सेज जितना कम रखो बेटर.
साइंस बोलता है ना, वही है, लोग इसको ग्रांटेड ले ले रहे हो.
करेक्ट.
एंड देन फॉलोज द कोलेस्ट्रॉल आफ्टर दैट.
Correct.
एंड आई हैव सीन गर्ल्स और बॉयज the age of 24-25, they are having triglyceride issues
Correct,
nowadays.
correct.
I mean, I was not aware of triglyceride when I was in my 20s.
Correct.
Now because of these reports and all, family mein,
Exactly.
so I've come across this triglyceride. So what is triglyceride and how can it be controlled?
So the reason why lipid profile, including cholesterol and triglyceride, the reason why it will increase is if you have packet foods, oily foods. Oil से triglyceride बहुत बढ़ता है. So you know there is something known as omega-3, there is something known as omega-6. Omega-3 is good for us, omega-6 is bad for us. And every time we have packet food, processed foods, oily foods, omega-6 goes up. The more omega-6 goes up, more inflammation in your arteries, and cholesterol, triglyceride will increase. So simple 3 foods that can reverse cholesterol and triglycerides. Number 1 is safed til, you know, white sesame seed.
White sesame.
दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा कैल्शियम इन वाइट सेसमी सीड, वेरी गुड फॉर हार्ट, वेरी गुड फॉर बीपी. नंबर 2 इज आमला. आमला इज वन ऑफ द रिचेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स, वेरी वेरी गुड फॉर हार्ट, वेरी वेरी गुड फॉर कोलेस्ट्रॉल. एंड नंबर 3 इज देयर इज समथिंग नोन एज स्प्रिंग अनियन. यू नो, लंबा
Yes.
प्याज आता है. Excellent. There are so many scientific studies that spring onion is brilliant for cholesterol and triglycerides.
So can you just give an example how to use a white sesame seed at
So
home?
कोई भी फ्रूट हम खाते हैं, पपीता, अनार, उसके ऊपर बस आपको 1 टीस्पून स्प्रिंकल करना
Okay,
है, and you just have with your fruits.
उसमें ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं कि पानी में भिगो के
नहीं,
रखना
नहीं,
है.
कुछ
Just
भी
you
नहीं.
just sprinkle
Just
it on your
sprinkle it with
curd,
fruits.
raita,
Correct.
or any evening
or fruits
snack.
or anything, yeah.
And many a times I've seen there are certain medications which triggers your cholesterol and triglyceride level. So what can you do in that case when you're fine with diet सब कुछ नॉर्मल चल रहा है, बट देर आर सर्टेन मेडिसिन जिसके कारण से वो ओवरलैप हो जाता है एंड ट्राइग्लिसराइड और कोलेस्ट्रॉल में बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल बेसिकली बढ़ जाता है.
देखिए 90% कोलेस्ट्रॉल इज मेड बाय योर लिवर.
Okay.
And 5-10% comes from dietary sources.
Okay.
So once you are taking care of your food, your lifestyle, and if there is any medication that is triggering, so आपको समझ में आ जाएगा, and then medication can be changed accordingly. But vitamin D is also very important for cholesterol, because
Okay.
for your liver to make good cholesterol, you need vitamin D. In fact, I see so many people, vitamin D होना चाहिए 30 के ऊपर, 7, 11, 12. and many people have low vitamin D, and vitamin D is very important for heart, very important for skin, very important for immunity, very important for sugar. So that is something also we should take care of.
I mean, more than 70% of ladies, if they are trying for pregnancy,
Correct.
conception, if they go for their blood test, it's
Correct.
vitamin D which is the one they are lacking.
Correct.
सबका 8-9 iron level नीचे.
Correct.
ये
So a
trend
lot
चल
of
रहा
people,
है.
yes, have been advised to take folic acid, vitamin D.
Yes.
If they're trying to conceive, it helps a lot.
So how can they do this with diet? Because people say vitamin D तुरंत नहीं बढ़ता.
हाँ, तो खाने पीने से उतना बढ़ेगा नहीं. So there is something known as Uprise D360K.
Yes.
कोई भी मेडिसिन शॉप में मिलता है. Once a week you can have that.
Yes.
For 2-3 months and उससे बढ़ जाता है काफी.
Yes, so and then you need to stop. So this
Correct.
people can take without prescription also.
So if they are aware कि उनका vitamin D कम है, they can have it without their prescription for 2 to 3 months. They can stop again. So साल में 2 बार they can do this course.
So since we're talking about ladies, I've seen this trend of fertility issue. Nowadays, if you see, there's an IVF clinic in every nook.
Correct.
पहले जब हम लोग छोटे थे, IVF, test tube babies, इसके बाद सब हश हश बात होता था.
Correct.
अब it's normal because everyone is facing this problem. So why this sudden rise? I mean, is it again because of lifestyle?
Of
You
course,
say?
majority because of lifestyle. You know, earlier people used to plan pregnancy early. These days, people are trying to plan pregnancy later. So that is one factor. Their lifestyle, hookah, smoking, drinking, you know, sleep, all of that matters a lot. And nutritional deficiency is another one. So I think primarily because of lifestyle, nutrition, you know, the timing of planning when they're planning to be pregnant. So because of all these factors, you know, for many people it becomes a little difficult to conceive, and that is where IVF comes in the picture.
So, any 5 food which you can say which can help ladies conceive?
So of course,
And it can
lifestyle,
reverse this
you know,
effect.
lifestyle, all of that is very important. But there are 5 common foods that can help. Number 1 is sunflower seeds.
Sunflower.
Very, very good. Okay, for zinc, magnesium, lot of trace minerals that people need. So omega-3 and lot of vitamin minerals help. So sunflower seeds, number 1. Number 2 is walnuts. Walnuts are very, very nice. Even for men who have poor sperm quality, walnuts are very, very nice. Number 3 is bell peppers, red, yellow, capsicum, all of that. Number 4 is purple cabbage. One of the most alkaline food on this planet is purple cabbage. Lot of nutrition. So purple cabbage, bell peppers, walnuts, sunflower seeds, very easily available, and I think a lot of people can have it on a regular basis. And very important to take care of your vitamin D and folic acid.
Okay, today's generation, they have this problem of scrolling Instagram,
correct.
रात भर phone देखना है, सोना नहीं, and then सुबह late से उठना है, and many times because of their work schedule, they don't even sleep properly. So why is this? मतलब ये इसका क्या कर सकते हैं? How to train your mind for that? You know, आप क्या खा सकते हो कि आपको better नींद आए?
देखिए, I think this is a big problem because a lot of youngsters today, they have this habit of sleeping late. And worst is, you know, watching that short form content, just scrolling mindlessly in the night time, which really disturbs their brain cells, disturbs their concentration. Not a good idea. You know, what alcohol is to the body, you know, scrolling phone in the night is for the brain. So
Very well said.
So if we can minimize, better. So I think parents will have a role to play, and but again it has to come from within, because huge problem, because lot
What
of
about
youngsters,
the parents who are also doing this?
yeah, so not a good idea. Jitna kam kare, better.
Okay. One thing, there is a section of society who thinks that मैं सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा से कर रहा हूँ, सब कुछ मैं lifestyle maintain कर रहा हूँ, meditation कर रहा हूँ, but still they fall sick. I mean, वो सोचता है हम तो सब कुछ करें, but फिर भी यार बीमार हो रहे हैं, फिर भी ये issue, digestion issue, and this that. So why is this? I mean, कहाँ पे लोग गड़बड़ कर जाते हैं?
You know, I think there are 5 important pillars of health that everybody should focus on. So as I told you, number 1 is food and nutrition. Number 2 is physically being active. Number 3 is, you know, healthy lifestyle. Time पे खाना, time पे सोना, smoking, alcohol, hookah, ये सब नहीं करना. Number 4 is sleep, good quality sleep. And number 5 is emotion. I think if each and every one of us focus on these 5 important pillars of good health, you know, we all can be fit, fine, healthy as we age. Now, a lot of people might be eating good, might be having a good lifestyle कि हम बाहर खाते नहीं हैं, अच्छा खाते हैं, but emotionally they might be living in guilt, fear, not letting go, not forgiving, holding on to things. That could also create a lot of bad health. So I think you might be doing one good on one or two aspect, but if you're not good in each five, then that is something that people need to self check and correct.
So ऐसा बोल सकते कि this disease reversal is all about good food and training your mindset to be emotionally stable.
It's all about these five things.
Okay.
You know, अगर किसी को भी उनका बीमारी ठीक करना है एंड किसी को भी लाइफ में हेल्थ और हैप्पीनेस बढ़ाना है, दे हैव टू फोकस ऑन दीज 5 पिलर्स ऑफ गुड हेल्थ. खाना पीना, लाइफस्टाइल, फिजिकली एक्टिव रहना, गुड क्वालिटी स्लीप एंड इमोशंस. These 5 things have gone wrong in last 20-30 years, as a result of which we are living in an epidemic of lifestyle disease.
तो आई मीन यू कैन से दैट बहुत बार हम लोग एक्चुअली आई मीन ये बहुत सोचने वाली बात है, ये जो आपने इमोशनल क्वेश्चन के बारे में बताया. बहुत बार हम लोग एक्चुअली में डाइट कर रहे हैं सब, बट हम लोग खुश नहीं रहते.
That is one. Plus I get few patients जो हमको बोलते हैं in our first meeting कि सर हमारा तो वजन कम होगा ही नहीं, हम बहुत करके देखें सर हमारा तो वजन कम होता ही नहीं, बहुत स्लो होता है. If they have this subconscious belief, no matter how much good they eat, they will take time to lose weight, because health is always holistic, and our beliefs, our lifestyle, our habits affect our health more than our genes.
So this lifestyle thing has to be inculcated right from your childhood, I guess.
If you can do it from childhood, if it has happened from childhood, good. But if it has not happened from childhood, but जिस दिन आप उठो उस दिन सवेरा, you understand? The moment you realize,
तब सवेरा.
so the moment you realize, you should start making changes.
Yes. I mean, I've seen girls young as 9 or 10, they are, having their menstrual cycle. Doctors are like, कि अभी आप ये medicine साथ में दीजिए, वो साथ में दीजिए. I mean, why this was not there before?
Correct.
Maybe
Correct.
because of the too much of that junk food.
Processed food, packet foods have a lot of, compounds that disturbs estrogen, which is a very, very important hormone when it comes to regulating periods.
I mean, when we were young, I think हमारी मम्मी लोग को PCOS पता ही नहीं था, क्योंकि वो लोग कभी ये फेस नहीं किए. बट आज के जो पेरेंट्स हैं जिनके 19-20 साल के बच्चे, दे आर फेसिंग दिस प्रॉब्लम.
Exactly.
किड्स आर गोइंग कमिंग आउट ऑफ कॉलेज. हम लोग के टाइम में क्या होता था, ब्रेकफास्ट एरिया में इन दिस भवानीपुर या साउथ कहीं भी सांबर इडली खाया, सैंडविच खाया. बट नाउ यू हैव मोमोज एंड पिज्जाज एंड पास्ताज इन एवरी नोक्स.
Correct.
एंड आई मीन आई गॉड नोज हाउ दिस मोमो कल्चर हैज कम टू कैलकाटा. हमारे टाइम में ऐसा पहले नहीं था. देयर वर फ्यू मोमो स्पॉट्स, बट नाउ आई सी सो मेनी मोमो स्पॉट्स आउट देयर. I mean, next to puchka, it's now momos, I guess, in Calcutta.
Momos are there, hookahs are there.
Hookah.
So this has increased so much.
Seriously, I mean, previously it was there, but कम था, एक दो aqua java ये वो हुआ. But अभी तो you just name it, मतलब हुक्का नहीं है तो वो कैफे नहीं जाना. ये है youngsters का attitude.
Very true.
So indirectly it's affecting their lifestyle, and they're not realizing the long term effect.
I think we have seen both the worlds.
Yes.
When we were young, no screen, very less processed packet food. महीने में 1-2 बार फैमिली के साथ क्लब्स वगैरह, हिंदुस्तान क्लब, CSC, BRC चले गए. But now generation, so there are goods and bad. So it's a good transition. We have AI information, a lot of information. Digital आने से बहुत अच्छा भी हुआ है. But I think somewhere we need to be conscious.
Yes.
I think remote control हमारे पास होना चाहिए. I think that is very important. Phones are not bad. Phone is good. It helps us connect. But overusing, misusing, all the time using, giving our remote control to that device, that is the problem.
Very well said. Remote control actually अपने हाथ में ही होना चाहिए.
Exactly.
It's all in the mind, as we say.
Correct. And today so many people who come to us to learn meditation, and I see them see, साइंटिस्ट ने ये प्रूव किया है कि हमारे चारों तरफ देयर इज एनर्जी. दैट एनर्जी जिसको ऑरा बोलते हैं या जिसको इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड बोलते हैं, दैट एनर्जी कंसिस्ट ऑफ जस्ट 2 things. द वे यू थिंक प्लस द वे यू फील इज योर एनर्जी. नाउ the way you think and the way you feel should be in your hands, you understand? But people today unknowingly, many of us, we live in a way where we are giving our remote control to some person, some situation, some circumstances and outside of us. So कुछ अच्छा होगा तो अच्छा लगेगा, कुछ हमारे हिसाब से नहीं होगा तो बुरा लगेगा. That is not a good way to live life. You understand? And because if you do that, you are just a victim to your environment and not a creator of your life. So I think this is very important because it's okay to be emotional, but you don't have to give your remote control to any person, any situation, any circumstances. Now people then tell me that, but sir हम तो इंसान है, कुछ अच्छा होगा तो अच्छा लग सकता है, कुछ बुरा होगा तो बुरा लग सकता है. Of course बुरा लग सकता है, of course कभी गुस्सा आ सकता है, of course आप रिएक्ट कर सकते हैं, but the question is how long you want to live like that. मेरी लाइफ में 10 साल पहले कुछ हुआ एंड आज भी अगर हम इमोशनली उसमें जिएंगे, then I am living in my past. But if I disconnect myself emotionally from that past memory, then that memory without an emotion is wisdom.
So Karan, how can we improve our gut health?
You know, gut is the foundation of our overall health. So gut is not just related to our digestion. Gut is the area in our stomach which comprises of large intestine, small intestine. Now gut is not just related to our digestion, but just look at this. 85% of our immunity lies in the gut. Majority of hormones are produced and released in our gut. 80% of happy hormone, serotonin, is made in the gut. 90% of sleeping hormone, melatonin, is made in the gut. So our gut and mind, gut and overall health is super connected. Point number one. Now there are billions of bacteria that lives in our gut. And the food of those gut bacteria is fiber. So every time we have fiber, जो हमको ज़्यादा fruit vegetable में ज़्यादा मिलता है, when you have more fiber, not only are you eating, but your gut bacteria are getting food. You understand? So balance is very important, but we should also have more plant-based, more fruit vegetable, so that your gut improves. Now, last 20 years, the reason why we have an epidemic of lifestyle disease is because people are eating more processed, more junk foods, and by doing that we don't get fiber, so our gut becomes weak, immunity becomes weak. Cancer is not something that we get from outside, it is because our immune system is weak, cancer grows. Right now as I'm speaking, हम सब के अंदर cancer cell है. It is our immunity that kills those cancer cell. But if your lifestyle is not good, if your gut is not good, your immune system is not good, emotionally you're not well, then your immune system is going to take a back seat. And that is when diseases increase.
So it's not always the genes, it's the lifestyle which we are having that affects the health gut,
You know,
as you say.
in the year 2000, there was this interesting science known as epigenetics that was created. Epigenetics means environment signals your genes. So there is something known as gene expression. So for example, अगर अभी हम पपीता खाते हैं, वो पपीता हमारे अंदर जाके हमारे सेल्स से बातें करेगा. एंड अगर अभी आप भुजिया, चिप्स, समोसा खाते हैं, वो अंदर जाके हमारे सेल से दूसरी तरीके से बात करेगा. सो दैट इज नोन एज जीन एक्सप्रेशन. सो द फूड दैट वी आर ईटिंग इज गिविंग इंफॉर्मेशन टू एवरी सेल in our body. Similarly, if you're living in joy, gratitude, happiness, love, that emotion gives a message to your cells which is very different from when you live in overthinking, worrying, fear, guilt, regret. So the food that we are eating and the emotions with which you live, that gives information to our cells and our genes are expressed accordingly.
तो मतलब वो बहाना छोड़ना होगा बोलना कि ये तो मेरे जीन्स में है.
Absolutely.
थायराइड मेरी मम्मी को था, हार्ट पेशेंट तो मेरे पापा भी थे. ये चीज अब बंद करना होगा बोलना.
85% is your habits, your lifestyle, your emotions, your food, and just 5-10% is your genes.
So if someone is maintaining a good lifestyle, meditation, food, everything on point, but they have in their genes कि parents को cancer है या heart disease है.
Correct.
तो what kind of precaution they can still take?
Correct. So if my lifestyle is good, my habit, my food, my emotion is good, I'm eating on time, sleeping on time, वो सब अच्छा है. But still, if my family history has, then either I will get it late in 50s, 60s, or even if I get it early, it will be very, very borderline and I'll be able to manage it very easily. Compared to that, if someone जिनके family history में नहीं है, but अगर उनका lifestyle, habit, emotion, sleep ठीक नहीं है, they will invite more disease. Today we get so many people who have cancer, but उनके family history में नहीं है. So many people who have diabetes, but उनके family history में नहीं है. Because 85% is our lifestyle and our habits.
I mean, listening to you, मुझे बस ये लग रहा है कि हर चीज का सोल्यूशन एक्चुअली अपने हाथ में है. हम लोग बस आजकल ब्लेम करने लगते हैं, यार डेस्टिनी में था, इसका किस्मत खराब था, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. I mean,
Very true.
ये अपने लोग का हैबिट हो गया ऐसे बात करने
And I
का.
think somewhere people are aware. People are aware कि हमें right खाना active रहना.
Nowadays people
Awareness.
are aware
I
and
think
cautious.
after COVID, that awareness has gone up definitely.
Yes.
But again, with insight, you can't transform. Just having an insight, you can't transform. You have to do things. When you apply that knowledge, that is when transformation happens.
You have to actually inculcate and
Correct. Apply that.
जैसा बोलते हैं ना ट्रांसफॉर्म करना होता है. एक बार हैबिट बस आ जाए उसके बाद इट बिकम्स योर लाइफस्टाइल.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay, fine. Quickly now we'll move to a rapid fire section. 3 food for fatty liver.
So broccoli is brilliant for fatty liver. In fact, there's something known as non-alcoholic fatty liver. People are not drinking, but उनको भी fatty liver होता है because उनका processed food,
Yes.
packet food, oily food ज़्यादा खाते हैं.
Okay.
So broccoli is brilliant for fatty liver. Number 2 is garlic. Garlic is excellent for liver. And number 3 is ripe papaya, papita.
Okay. 3 foods for diabetes control.
Number 1 is bhindi seeds, excellent for reversing diabetes. Bhindi seeds. Number 2 is methi seeds, and number 3 is broccoli.
3 fruits everyone should eat daily.
3 foods I want everybody to eat. Number 1 is drumsticks. Drumstick is super food for our gut, for our immunity, for good health. हर घर में सबको खाना चाहिए drumstick. Number 2 is pumpkin seeds. One of the very good food when it comes to our gut, our immune system. Pumpkin seeds, lot of zinc, magnesium. And number 3 is pomegranate. Pomegranate, pumpkin seeds, and drumstick. Everybody should eat. Very high in anti-cancer. Very good for gut health and brilliant for our immune system.
3 food for good heart.
So, heart disease is number 1 killer in India. So many people are suffering with heart disease, and there are these simple 3 foods that everybody can have, which is very, very good for heart. Number 1, flax seeds. अलसी का बीज होता है ना, flax seed.
I know.
Brilliant for BP.
TC.
Correct. Brilliant for BP, very good for heart. Number 2 is anar. Anar is very, very good for heart. And number 3 is guava. People are not aware guava has way more vitamin C than orange and brilliant for heart health.
3 things to stop eating right from today.
Number 1 is cold drinks. कभी कभार okay, but regular नहीं जाना चाहिए. So number 1 is cold drink. Number 2 is Maggi. And number 3 is cornflakes. All these 3 things not good for your health.
Best time to eat fruits.
Empty stomach in the morning.
How much water should one drink in a day?
So at least 1.5 से 2 लीटर जाना चाहिए. And if you're eating fruits, chia seeds, soup, ये सब भी जाता है. So 1.5-2 लीटर जाना is good because खाने पीने से भी काफी पानी जा सकता है.
And one last question. One habit for mental peace.
Love yourself. I think there cannot be anything more, because the moment you love yourself, life starts loving you. One advice that I really want all the viewers to understand this, that we are the creator of our life. We cannot be the victim to our environment by our food, our lifestyle, our habits, by our emotions. We can truly become the creator of our life, and that is what I want each and every one of you to remember.
Beautiful. I mean, lovely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming on this show.